Hello friends, welcome to our channel Competitive Master. Today we are going to discuss about the topic percentage. So what do we mean by percentage? Percentage is a number or ratio when it expressed as fraction of 100. When we express a number as a fraction of 100, then we told that is percentage. Example, 6%. We express as fraction as 6 by 100, means with respect to 100 we get 6 numbers. So let's discuss some example. How many percent of 80 is 60? So we don't know what is the percent of 80. It gives us 60. So we take x percent of 80 equal to 60. So x percent we express as a fraction as x by 100 equal to 60 by 80, because 80 is multiplied in the LHS. So when we take 80 to RHS, 80 will divided. So 0 0 cancel, 2 3 6 2 4 8. We have find the how many percent. So x equal to 3 by 4 into 100. 4 25 100. So 3 5 15. 3 2 6 7. 75% of x will give us 60. Then another example. 20 is how many percent more than 16? 20 is how many percent more than 16? We see that 20 is 4 more than 16. So in question it is asked that how many percent more. We have to find the number as percentage. So we saw here 20 is 4 more than which number? More than 16. So with respect to means we take 16 as denominator. Then find percentage. We have to multiply 100. 4 4 16, 4 25. So 25% is greater, means 20 is 25% more than 16. If you have any doubt, please comment, and we try to solve your problems. Then another example, 25 is increased to 37. How many percent it increased? So we see that 25 is 12 less than 37, but we have to express in terms of percentage. Okay, so 12 more, we have to express it percentage. So we generally found 12 by increased to 37, which term? 25 is increased. So 12 denominator is 25. Percentage we have to multiply 100. 25 400, 48%. When 25 increased. So the question asked us 25 how much percent increased to get 37. So denominator we take 25. So multiply by 100 and gives the answer, or we get the answer 48%. Here another question is 60% of boys in class of 80 students. So 40 more girls join. Find percentage of girls. So 60% of total student are boys, equal to 60 by 100 into 80. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So 48 are boys in the class of 80 students. The remaining are girls. So 80 minus 48 to 32. So 32 are girls. But we next 40 more girls are joined in that class. Means 32 plus 40, 72 are girls. So in question, the required answer is we have to find the percentage of girls after joining of 40 girls in the class. So we get 72 girls in that classroom. So when 40 girls are joined, then total number of students also increased by 40. So total students in the class is 120. Then we found that how many percent of girl is now present in the class. So total girls is 72, and with respect to total students, so we get the percentage. Means we have to multiply 100. 0 0 cancel. 6 2 6 2 5 6 1 6 12 6 to 12. So 60% are girls present in the class now. Here is another question. This type of question generally comes in the examination. So 36% of a number is 720. We don't know what is the total number, but it given that 36 of that number is 720, and find 40% of that number. So we write down 36% of that number is 720. If we found that what is 1% of that number, then we can find any percent given to our question or asked in the examination. Here I am going to find the 1%. Means 720 divide 36 to 20. 1% is 20. We have to find 40% of that number. 20 into 40, because 1% is 20. When we find 40%, we multiplied here 40. So I have to multiply 40 in the RHS. So we get 42800. 800 is the 40% of that number. If I have found that what is the real number, means 100% of that number, I have to multiply 20 into 100. So 2000 is the actual number, where 30% is 720, 40% is 803. Let's discuss another example or another question. 64% of a number is 24, more than 52% of that number. Find 67% of that number. So here 2% are given, 52% and another is 64%. The question gives us the idea or number. The 64% of a number is 24 more than 50%, 52%. So here we have find that how much percent is the difference between two percentage. I found that 52, 10, 62 and 2. 12% is the difference. In question, the 12% is given as 24, because 64 of a number is 24 more than 52. So we have found that 1%, because when we found 1%, every percent after that, every percent or any percent we can found easily. So 1% is 24 by 12 means 2. 1%, here we found that 2. So in question we have to find that 67% of that number. So we found 1% as 2, then 67% is 67 into 2, 2 7 14, 2 6 12, 13. So 134 is the required percentage in our question. Here another question. Rest 1200 is divided among A, B and C. A, B are received 36% and 45%. Find the difference in share of A and C. Here given A received 36% where B received 45%. We know the total percent is 100%. So it is easy to find the percentage of C. Means 100 minus 36 plus 45 percentage. It gives us 100 minus 81, 19% that C have to receive. In question, it is asked that the difference of A and C. So if A percent is 36% and C percent is 19%. So it gives the result or percentage that is 17%. So the difference of share received by A and C are 17%. Here 1200 is the total money, but we can't use, or in question that not asked to find the how much money will get each. Here we have to find only the percentage. Then you use that percentage to find how many money received by each of them, A, B and C. So today we discuss percentage. So if you have any doubt, please ask in comment, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.